Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Banyan Kidz. This is a kid subscription, ideally for ages 4 to 8, and it focuses on STEAM activities inspired by children's storybooks. Comes in a really cute box. And we'll take a look at what's inside. Ooh, a little box, and there's a bowl for one of the activities, and some tacky glue. Magical Book of the Month. We are thrilled to be starting off the new year by learning some intriguing and weird facts about our favorite furry feathered friends and 50 wacky things pets do. Cool. There's some fun facts down here about pets. So that is right on top. And then here's the book. This is cute, nice thick book too. I don't believe we've read this one. Okay, so each page has a different fact, it looks like, on it. Very cool. Kids will love that. I'm going to take out this at the bottom first to see what some of this stuff is for. So there's a fish tank bank. So use the tacky glue and the tissue paper to make a little water scene. That's really cute. Use the cutouts to make 2 chameleon heads. Add sticky, wiggly eyes. That's cute. And here's some of the stuff that goes with it. My fish tank bank. And here's the little clear films that probably go on both sides. And then this is more about the activity. Focuses on 2 of the animals mentioned in this month's book. Encourages fine motor skills, creativity, and an interest in zoology. So the first activity is the fish tank bank. And then the second one is called chameleon. And here is some of the stuff for the activity. This is probably for the chameleon. Has to be. I see the little googly eyes, little foam shapes in there. And then this is stuff for the fish tank, I assume, because we have the string and the beads and the tissue paper. So looking closer at the card, the fish bank looks really cool. So you tie string to the beads and then attach them to the fish so you can like slide them along the top. You could also drop coins in to collect them in your little bank. And I was right, the little party blowers are to make the chameleons. So you set up these other cards that have the worm, the cricket, and the fly. You set them up and then you blow the party blower to try to knock them down. So it's a cute little activity that you can play by yourself or with someone else. I want to take a look at the little bank. So this is where it opens here. But when it's shut, when you feed the beads through there, you can move them along here and make them play inside the little fish tank. And then of course you can collect coins at the bottom. Plenty of room for that. And then there's those plastic screens that go inside to keep everything in. Very cute. I know the kids are going to have tons of fun decorating this, and they're probably going to fight over it because they both really like banks. So tons of fun. If you guys are interested in subscription, I will put all the information below. There's also a promo code that will save you $10 off your first order of a 3 or 6 month subscription. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.